Everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading. This is going to be you versus them pick a card reading. So I have two sets here, set 1, set 2, purple candle and red candle. So it's like two different group of people, your energy, their energy, your energy, their energy. So you can always pick your side of the story, whichever person you feel like you relate to that person. You can pick the other person's energy as your person's energy as well. So I have two set of cards here. So we can choose whichever you feel more pulled towards. You can go with the colors of the candle, or you can just go with set number 1, set number 2, whichever number pulls you towards that one number. Before we dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel. I will be adding the link to her tarot channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well, because she keeps on uploading the different topic pick a cards and other readings as well. So you can check her channel out too if you want, and if you like it, you can become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with set number 1, which is a purple candle. So let's see what is going on in this particular connection, you versus them. So let's find out which set of cards could be your energy and which could be the other person's energy. So I'm going to start with one person and to the other person. So let's see this, how this person feels in this connection right now that you have with this person. Maybe it's going to be your energy, maybe it's going to be your person's energy. So it's totally up to you how you want to pick the cards. Like you want to pick this card as your, or if you want to go with the situation that comes along with both the sets. It's your call. So let's start with this set of cards here. Let's see what is going on in this connection from one person versus the other person. Let's find out. The moon pair up with Queen of Wands, other person's energy, Nine of Wands, pair up with Six of Wands. I feel like this person here is completely or partially distant from you emotionally. Maybe you are talking to this person. Maybe I would take this person as the person that you are dealing with and their energy. But obviously, you can maybe you are going to resonate more with this person's energy, and maybe this is going to be your person's energy. So just pick your side of the story. So I'm gonna start with this person here. It seems like this person is pretty much on the verge of leaving his or her fears behind and taking this connection seriously. I feel like right now this person might seem a bit distant. This person might seem they are not interested in you. This person might seem like they are pulling away from from this connection. But or in fact, maybe for some of you, maybe you have already detached yourself, or this person might have already detached themselves from you. But the reason being, this person is feeling drawn towards you. The reason why this person is maybe maybe like if the change is something that you recently started observing in him or her, it could be because this person is feeling that they are getting attracted to you or they are getting attached to you, which is why they have kind of pulled themselves apart from you or pulled themselves away from you. So they don't give in too much of their time and energy into this connection. And having said that, this is not something that they can sustain for long, because this is not what they want. They really feel pulled towards you, they really feel attracted towards you, they really want to have something with you, but they are not sure if this person really wants a love and committed relationship, or just like friendship and maybe friends with benefits or something around those lines. But this person is not 100% sure if they love you or if they do see you as a long-term committed partner. So I feel like this person's energy right now is pretty much distant in a way, but at the same time you could feel the vibe coming from this person, that this person is they will be giving you signs, like indirectly, like with their gestures, with the way they talk maybe, or with the way they behave. Maybe you will feel like okay, fine, like this person is still interested, but maybe they have just pulled themselves away from you. You could feel that vibe coming from this person. you would feel like, this person is maybe to focus on their work and career, but in actuality they are unable to take their mind off from you. That's what I'm picking up. And they are on the verge of putting their guards down by coming out of this, period where they are like, trying to hold themselves back, trying to hold their emotions to themselves, trying not to get too involved with you. That's their energy. I feel like, this person is trying really hard to stay away from you emotionally. And but I don't see that it is going to last for long. They are on the verge of giving up on, holding themselves back from this connection, because they feel the pull towards you even more and more with every passing second of the day. That's what I'm picking up coming from this person's energy. Coming towards this energy, if I talk about this energy as yours energy, I feel like, you really um I will give you a tip here. Whatever you're thinking of this person is going to be thinking of you that very same thing. So I would suggest you one thing: just use this as a tool for yourself to manifest something that you want. Just think that this person is thinking of you and this person is getting attracted to you, and just think all the positive thoughts that you can think of, coming from this person. Like maybe, you can start, feeling like maybe he or she is like wishing and hoping to you know have a solid kind of a relationship or committed relationship with you. Just start thinking that, because that's going to become reality. So you have the power in this situation here, because I feel like, the more you're going to stay positive, the more you're going to think of positive thoughts, the more are the chances that that's going to manifest for you in your reality with this particular person that you have on your mind, or that you are dealing with right now. That's the tip, because it's something that maybe you don't know, that whatever you're thinking here about this person, that's going to become reality. So I would suggest you, for those of you who are seeing him or her pulling away, if you are thinking like maybe he's or she is not interested, if you're thinking that, just kick that thought out of your mind, because this person is going to do exactly that. So replace that thought with a positive one, as if like, this person is like, missing you and thinking of you the same way, and they are ready to open up now. So you could make affirmations around those lines, you could always script around those lines, and that's going to become your reality. That's the tip for you. Now coming towards your energy towards this connection, it seems like, you think a lot about this person. A lot means a lot. You feel the passion that you have for this person, which is going stronger and deeper. You really want to have a balanced relationship. You didn't want this person to not invest into this connection, and you investing all your time and energy into this connection. So you really don't want this to be a one-sided thing. That's what I'm picking up. So you really wish and hope that this is how it is, like, you both are on the same page when it comes to this connection, because this is exactly what you're looking for. You don't want to feel like, neglected, or you don't want to feel bad being in this connection. You really want it to be a smooth sailing kind of a situation for the two of you being in this connection. I feel like, you are somebody who is very passionate, who wants to have that, sexual appreciation as well. I feel like, for some of you, maybe you are so, good looking, sexy, charming, hot kind of a person, and you know that. And you might be using that, sexuality to attract this person in your life as well. Like maybe you are trying to, get attention from this person by showing them how beautiful or how good looking or how charming you are. It doesn't have to be, a specific gender, but I feel like, whoever you are, you feel like, the reality is that you are somebody who's very good looking, and this person really knows that, and they do feel distracted by you. They do feel attracted towards you. They do feel that, but they are not yet ready to be in a committed relationship. That's what I'm picking up. And it's like, but soon I do see that this person is going to give up on, holding themselves back, and get ready to give you what you want. And you can always use the tool that I mentioned in the beginning. You can use that tool to manifest quicker for the two of you. Let's take, hold on, I cannot use this deck. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so let's see what is coming up for the two of you being in this connection in near future, like maybe in a week time or so. What is coming up for the two of you in this connection? Eight of Swords, King of Cups, Eight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, the Moon, the Fool. Underneath the deck you do have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like, there are certain blocks that you need to get rid of. Like I said, if you are thinking negative, that maybe, this person pulled themselves away because maybe they are not interested, you really have to stop that mind chatter and, start getting it to something positive so you could manifest whatever you're thinking the most in this time frame. One thing, you have to work on removing the subconscious blocks that you might be having or that person might be having. So either you have to work on them, or if even this the other person is having, I feel like this person is pretty much even if they have this mental blocks, they are going to be thinking of what you are thinking of them. So again, with the Moon card coming with the King of Cups, if this is their energy, I feel like Moon coming twice, it's again the same thing. If and only if you know how the manifestation works or how the law of attraction works, if you use this time frame, if you use that thought process that you are holding here, if you use it to manifest and make the law of attraction work for you in your favor, you will be able to have this communication get started again. That is going to lead to something new and beautiful, a communication that's going to start a new chapter between the two of you, which would be leading towards something beautiful that you both desire, because I feel like you equally feel the same for each other, just that this person is right now holding themselves back, but they are soon going to get done with this, them having their guards up against this situation. They are going to just let things be the way they are. This person as of now is trying to be a certain way, which is not the reality. They are attracted to you, they like you a lot, but at the same time they have kind of maintained a safe distance from you because maybe they don't want to give in to this connection as of now. But soon things are going to change because their emotion is going to get more intensified, which is why they are going to put their guards down. So again, maybe this person is having some mental blocks around love and relationships and commitments as well. Maybe this person is working on those blocks to get rid of them. Meanwhile, you can do your part of work on yourself, and then everything is going to be beautiful between the two of you. You are going to start communicating openly and honestly, and that's how you're going to start a new chapter with this person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up with the people who chose the first set of cards. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye. Let's move on to the people who chose the second set of cards. Let's see, you versus them. Red candle. Hold on, let me have a sip of water. Okay, so as you all know, you versus them is the reading. So red candle, pick your side of the story. I'm gonna start with one person and then the other person, and you can always go with which side you resonate more to, and the other side is going to be definitely about the person that you are dealing with. So let's start with this person's energy. Let's see what is coming from this person into this connection that you have with this person. Let's see. The Hermit paired up with Eight of Pentacles. Let's see the other person's energy. Wow, Hermit. Okay. Paired up with the Hierophant. Okay. So if you want things to move quick between the two of you, and if you have been the one who has been so focused on this person, this connection, this relationship, and neglecting the other areas of your life, it's high time that you do exactly what they are doing. That's going to bring you to the same vibe as they are. If you are, if you have been investing a lot of time into this connection and they have been the opposite, they have been busy doing their own things and stuff, it's high time that you do the same, because that's going to bring you two on the same vibe, and that's how you connect. So for some of you, maybe you are not in a good way of communication between there is not much going on between the two of you, as in terms of the communication. Maybe this person might be busy with their work, this person might be busy with their with their own thing, working out their stuff, responsibilities, whatever it is that they are dealing with, they are investing more and more and more of their time into that area of their life. Which is why maybe if you are in touch with this person, maybe the communication is very less to no communication. Even if there is less communication, it is not like exactly how you want it to be, and maybe you are going to pick up more fights because this person is not giving you what you want. So it's going to make you feel bad, it's going to make you feel like maybe he or she is not interested in me or something around those lines. But um if and only if you get yourself busy doing something else, if and only if you get yourself doing your work or something, maybe having a hobby, or doing something that makes you feel good, if you get yourself busy doing something on your part, that feeling, that overthinking which leads to a negative feeling or negative thoughts, that will be eliminated from your part, which is going to bring you a happy state of mind. Plus it's going to bring you two on the same level. Right now this person is focused on their work, you have to focus on to something else as well. If you're going to focus on this person, it's going to be like this person is going to push you away because this person doesn't have much time to give you or to this connection as of now. So this person might need some space, and they would love and appreciate it if you give this person that space that they need, and talk and communicate if and only if they are free and you are free. So it's like, I'm not saying that you talk to this person only when they want. You can you can be on the same vibe by doing the same to them. Maybe when they message, maybe you can take even if you are not busy, you can take your some time to reply them back. That's how you are going to bring back this connection to normal. Right now I feel like there is some sort of imbalance in this connection right now. This person might be busy with their work, but you are thinking otherwise. Maybe you are having your doubts and fears around this connection. So that's something that you need to get rid of. For some of you, this person could be somebody into legal matters, like this person could be working for something in the government as well. Like maybe that's the reason they are too busy and occupied with their work. If they are not, then there is something very very important that they are dealing with. And they really need their time and space right now. So just give this person their time and space. Meanwhile, you can do something for yourself as well. But for some of you, maybe you are considering to leaving this person behind because you're tired of them not putting in the effort that you want. And it's like you maybe, since you are somebody who's not like too busy as they are, so maybe you're gonna think like, maybe he or she is not interested, maybe I should move on. So that could be a mindset of a few of you, which is why maybe you're considering other people as well, or you are open to have another person coming in your life as well. You would be okay to date another person if somebody comes along while this person is taking their time. So that could be the case for some of you as well. But let's take a quick clarifier for this Hierophant here, and then we will take the what is coming up for the two of you in this connection in the couple in the coming 2 weeks time. Let's see. Let's take this deck to see the clarifier for the Hierophant first, and then we will take the outcome, or what's coming up for the two of you in this connection in coming 2 weeks time. Let's see what the Hierophant is all about. Eight of Pentacles is all about. I do see the same energy that I talked about. Maybe you would start looking for other men or other girls out there. You would want to move on because you feel like this person is taking ages to come out of this period. Maybe I need to move on to somebody new, to something new. And maybe you're gonna start looking for somebody new. Like you would feel like pulling yourself out of this connection. That's what I'm picking up. You would have this feeling. You would feel like this is never going to work, so maybe I need to pull myself out of this connection. When it comes to this person's energy, I feel like, this person is really disappointed um, with themselves because they are struggling to make a decision. What is it that they want? Like, they really want to have a balanced life, but they are unable to have it. I feel like, they are stuck into something very important. They are not happy doing what they are doing, but at the same time, they are unable to make up their mind about, about a connection, about a, love life situation. They are unable to focus on those areas of their life right now. So that is something which is, they are not, which is making them sad, upset, but they are not doing anything to come out of it. Like, it's more like, a person is not happy where they are, but they are not doing any effort to come out of it. They are not taking any right decision to come out of it. That's their energy. When it comes to, this person's energy, it seems like, you are tired of waiting, and you really want to move forward now, because you feel like, it's going to take ages for this person to come out of it. So I don't want to waste my time and energy into, waiting on for this person. That's going to be your energy towards this connection. So let's see what is going to be the hold on. In fact, let's take other deck. Let's see what is going to be the future for the two of you. For the two of you in this particular connection. In coming 2 weeks time, what is coming up for the two of you in the coming 2 weeks time? Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. Somebody is not ready to let go of the control that they are doing right now on their emotions. And I feel like, this is their energy. This is this person's energy. They, even though they know that this is what, having a happy home life is what they desire, but at the same time they are feeling stuck in a way that they don't feel that they can give you more than, what they are giving to you right now in this connection. So they are disappointed themselves doing so, but at the same time, like I said, this person is not ready to let go of this connection, of this, this thing that they are doing. Like, they are not ready to put their guards down against you, against this connection. They are not happy doing what they are doing, but at the same time, they don't want to give more into this connection as of now. In the coming weeks time too, they are going to stay the same. Let's see more cards. Ten of Cups, the Tower, Four of Wands. Let's see two more one more row. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Nine of Pentacles. I feel like, when you are going to give up on this connection, this person is going to be coming forward with a communication, with open sort of communication, and they would be kind of, feeling pulled towards you again. As of now, maybe they have this, sense that, maybe you are not gonna leave them. Maybe they are, not taking you for granted, but maybe yeah, for some of you, maybe yeah, but at the same time, maybe they have this, this satisfaction that you are not going anywhere, so maybe I can take my time to deal with this thing. But they are not understanding the fact that it's not a healthy way of dealing with the situation. They are not openly communicating their heart out to you about whatever they are dealing with. That's why you are feeling like, moving on to a new person. So I feel like, you really want to have a happy home life. You really don't want to, wait on for this person, because it's adding chaos in your life. You really want to have the mental peace which you are not having being with this person. So what you do is, you are going to feel like, moving on, and the moment you're going to feel like moving on, this person is going to start communicating to you normally. And then for some of you, okay, let's take two more cards. For some of you, I feel like, you would not be, okay talking to this person the way you wanted it before, because it's like, you would feel bad for what they did to you. And now, since you have decided, okay, fine, let me move on to somebody new, maybe, or to a new connection, that's the time when this person is going to reach out, and then you are going to feel like, maybe I don't want to, deal with this person now. You are going to have, or, you are going to take your time to think about this person, and see if you want to give this person a chance or not. So but I think you are going to give this person the chance and you are going to start something together. But that's not gonna come through in the coming 2 weeks time. I feel like in coming 2 weeks time you are going to choose to move on or move away from this person, and that's when this person is going to start, feeling the pull towards you, and this person is going to start showing efforts to have you or to keep you in their life, and that's when you are going to give them some sort of hard time, and then only if you think that this person is not going to change again, you will give this person a chance and you will start a new something with this person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading, you versus them. If it resonated with you or if you like this reading, do like, share and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.